Hi, welcome to Katie's Playtime. And so today we're gonna have, oh hang on, I stopped up. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It didn't work. Hang on, do it again. I'm stuck! Once we've finished our nice, delicious tea. Oh. Help me!
Ground level. The hell?
What could it be? Believe it or not, it's Cinderella.
Oh, what the hell? Your shoe fell off.
I can do it!
Hi, welcome to Katie's Playtime. So today we're going to have some milk. You haven't got the eggs. You're not prepared.
The eggs are right in front of you.
Oh.
Okay, so I did knock the okay, so I did knock the hello. And because I'm such a pig, I also got a somebody! I think I need help standing. With the Krispy Kreme donut and the blue ribbon. Ah! Okay, so let's say thank you to Nitro Gym. I mean, what was it? Gym. 3, 2, 1. It's so cool.
So if you look at where the blue dots are, it'll move you to the next position.
Oh, so what do I do?
You just look, if you can see.
I see.
Yeah, there you
oh
go.
my god. Oh, hi. Ow! So thank you so much, Vegemite Australia, for picking me to. I had the time of my life. This is awesome. And I think I'm a pretty good shooter. Oh, it's already loaded. Woohoo! Woohoo! I ran out of bullets. This is awesome, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.